Benig Mauger, and I'm speaking to you from my soul home in Connemara on the wild Atlantic Way in Ireland, a place that has held my soul for many long years now. The wind, the sea, the mountains and the stillness all carry an ancient special energy here. And this land, of course, was the inspiration for my last book, The Soul and the Sea, about healing, essential healing for everyday life. In September, I'll be welcoming a new group of soul pilgrims. We meet every year for 3 days for a soulful healing retreat. This is our workspace. Here you walk out into nature. It's a chance to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with nature, with the sea, with the mountains, but most essentially with yourself. It's a time of presence and stillness. So, if you feel called to spend time with yourself, reconnecting with nature, and reconnecting most particularly with your soul, with your inner soul, and with the part of you that needs healing, this is the place to do it. Come and join me. You will find all the information on the link below and on my website. I hope I will spend time with you soon. Namaste.